time I will discuss about Bitcoin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that can be transferred on the crypto. Bitcoin transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and record in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. The cryptocurrency was invented by an unknown person or a group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The currency was released as open source software. Bitcoin are treated as a reward for a process long as meaning they can be exempt for other currency products and services. Bitcoin has been criticized for its use in illegal transactions. The large amount of electricity used by mining, price volatility, and telephone exchange. Some investors and economists have characterized it as a speculative bubble at various times. Bitcoin has been described as an economic bubble by Atlas Nobel Memorial Prize in Economics scans journalists, economists, investors, and the Central Bank of Estonia have voiced concern that Bitcoin is a Ponzi scheme. The word Bitcoin was defined in a white paper published on it is a compound of the word bit and coin. No uniform convention for Bitcoin capitalization exists. Some sources use Bitcoin capitalists to refer to the technology and network, and Bitcoin lowercase for the unit of account. The Wall Street Journal, the Journal of Legal Education, and the Oxford English Dictionary advise the use of lowercase Bitcoin in all cases. A few local and national governments are officially using Bitcoin in some capacity, with two countries, El Salvador and the Central African Republic, adopting it as a legal tender. Units and divisibility. The unit of account of the Bitcoin system is the Bitcoin. Currency codes for representing Bitcoin are BTC and XBT. Its Unicode character is 1 Bitcoin is divisible to 8 decimal place. Uniform small amounts of Bitcoin are the millibitcoin, equal Bitcoin, and the Satoshi, which is the small possible difference and name in whom two Bitcoin creator representing 100 million Bitcoin. Satoshi are 1 BTC. The Bitcoin blockchain is a public ledger that records Bitcoin transactions. It is implemented as a chain of blocks. Each block containing a cryptographic hash of the previous block up to the genesis block in the chain. A network of communication running Bitcoin software maintains the blockchain transaction of the firm player exchange Bitcoin to pay their broadcast to this network using readily available software application. Network nodes can validate transactions, add them to their copy of the ledger, and then broadcast this ledger addition to other nodes. To achieve independent verification of the chain of ownership, each node stores its own copy of the blockchain at varying intervals of time, averaging to every 10 minutes, a new group of asset transaction a block is add to the blockchain and quick publish to all nodes without requiring central oversight. This allows Bitcoin software to determine when a particular Bitcoin was spent, which need to provide double spending. A conventional ledger records the transfer of actual bills or promissory notes that exist apart from it, but the blockchain is the only place that Bitcoins can be said to exist in the form of useful output of transaction. Individual blocks, public and this and transaction with block can be examined using a blockchain explorer. Okay, until here the discussion about Bitcoin. Thank you for watching the video and welcome to again. Bye bye.